Right around the bend on Madison Hill Road is Esposito Park. I just love pullback shots.
There's a nice trail throughout the park.
And there's 2 bridges along the way. Hopefully we'll get a closer look at these one day. It's great to teach a new Clark's Angel how to spread her wings and fly. Toby and I love to romp and play in these fields. Imagine an ice cream vendor at a hot dog stand in this park. Around back there's a circuit training course where I get my exercise. Right next door is Hazelwood, where I will one day lay to rest. This forest is home to many creatures. With this technology, we can teach our children science, technology, engineering, and math.
Clark, in the heart of central New Jersey, is a wonderful township with beautiful places just like Esposito Park.